Hey everyone, I've got a LML Duramax here. So basically what happened, I was an idiot, ran out of fuel, um, wouldn't start, I changed the fuel filter, all those diagnostic things. So I'm not really sure why on some videos it starts right back up just after priming the filter, but that wasn't the case for me. So I'm not sure if you all are aware of the return lines that go from the injectors. So there's basically these clips here come out from the injectors. There's a video, I can link it, to Toxic Diesel. They describe how to take them off. You basically pull a tab up. I have not gotten to changing these return lines. I do have to though. This truck sat for a while and looks like a rodent nibbled through a little piece here, so it was leaking already. But that was before I ran it out of fuel. Yeah, so the return line that goes back here, right next to the turbo, I don't think you'll be able to see it, but there's a braided line that goes to this metal line, which goes to the 3/8 hose. I put in some custom hoses, so that's why it's not the stock. But so I cut that, and this is the V configuration. The return lines on the top meet in the middle, which is this part here. This is the piezo return mechanism, whatever they call it. Yeah, so those two merge into this one line, and that goes to the metal return line that runs in the valley and goes back up. So all the fuel gets returned back, because there's also fuel returned from the CP4, CP3 pump. I've got a CP3 on this one, thank God. If it were the CP4, would have probably taken a shit. But yeah, so here's the return that I cut. And I mean, all these people say that, oh, you just put shop air into the return line, but don't really show it. Okay, the truck was off, it's just me, okay? I literally shoved this in there as far as I could, just pulled back a couple times, maybe 3 or 4 seconds. It wasn't even that high. I mean, that's all I did. I go to turn on the truck and it fired up. I mean, it was crazy. I thought I was gonna have to wait for someone to come and help me, but it was just me. Put it in here. I didn't even leave it in there. The truck was off. So the truck was off. I put the compressed air in there, good 3 or 4 seconds, and not anything crazy. Don't go like 80, 90 psi. I'm actually do some damage with that. Then I just come and turn the truck, crank it up, and it started right up. Yeah, so never gonna push the low fuel thing again. Lesson learned. All right, hope this helps someone. Good luck.
It is alive!